Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting concept that is related to Six Sigma certification. So before moving to the video, I would like everyone please share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon. Also please check out the playlist. You will find videos related to trainers, quality analyst, operations KPI, operation team lead, people management, 7 quality tools, Six Sigma certifications, and people management tricks. Many more videos are there. The collection of 100 plus videos, guys. Please do check out and don't miss to click on like and share the feedback to the videos. Do check, guys. And let's move to the today's topic. So today we will be looking after an interesting concept that is on the Six Sigma certification. So basically the concept says Jidoka. Now what is this? Why this came in picture for the Six Sigma? So before moving to the study about this, let's understand who designed this and why it came into the picture. The concept was given by the founder of Toyota in 1990s by Sakichi Toyoda. And why this came in the picture, basically he had one loom, like textile loom, wherein the thread is getting broke every time. Whenever they are starting the production, the thread is getting broke. So what they need to do, they need to keep an operator or man near to it every time, who will manage, who will watch it out, who will check if there is no any issue occurred. So there will be a manual work they need to do, which means like the operator need to stand there for whole the day. Okay, now what they did, basically they created a textile loom wherein it will get automatically stopped whenever a thread is getting broken. Now the operator work, the manual work got reduced to zero. Now they can utilize that particular operator to the other work as well. This is what the concept is all about, the Jidoka. Now, basically, it is providing a machine and operator the ability to detect when the abnormal condition has occurred and immediately stop the work. Now, basically, why this came in the picture, because whenever there is an issue, there is a defect, or there isn't any condition occurred wherein we may know that there may be a defect or there may be issues, the machine will get stopped, or maybe people will stop that work. They will solve the issues and they will move further. So this is what concept of the Jidoka. Jidoka is one of the two pillar of the Toyota production system along with the just in time. Now what is the just in time? I will explain you in my upcoming videos, guys. Sometimes it is also known as automation, sorry, which means automation with the human intelligence. How that will work, we will see in the example, guys. I believe you got the basic understanding about this. Let's move to the principle of Jidoka, which is related to Kaizen. Now, what is Kaizen basically? If you don't know, check out the video, guys. You will get entire information of the Kaizen along with the example. But I'll give you a definition of the Kaizen, which means small changes. What we are doing in the process is known as Kaizen, guys. Okay. Now, in the lean management, if you have identified any issue, we need to stop and fix it. If the issue is not get fixed, or if the issue was not uh, closed at a real time, what will happen at the end? If you are getting, or if you are getting an issue or defect, and if you are going to correct it, the cost will get increased. Correct. Now this is where the opportunity of the Kaizen, which means the small changes in the process, got uh, like I can say which was not added there, or maybe we failed to add that. So that is the reason Jidoka basically focus on Kaizen as well, wherein if the issue is getting occurred, we need to fix it quickly so that your process product can run for the longer time. Now if there is one issue which got rectified in the initial status as well, it will help you at the end. Now if one issue was not fixed, if at the end what will happen, that particular one issue may cause you the different level of errors, maybe different like it may impact to the other uh, products as well. So basically Kaizen says that small changes in the project or a product or a process which will give you a good improvement. Same that need to be followed in the Jidoka. This is all about the principle. Now benefit of Jidoka. I already told you guys, lean basically have a two pillars. One is the Jidoka, the another one is the GIT, just in time. Now we are understanding the Jidoka. Let's understand the GIT in our upcoming videos. Now what will a benefit we achieved because of the Jidoka? Now Jidoka will help in detecting the problem earlier. Yes, we have already seen it avoid to spread of bad practices. Suppose in future if we are coming up with a situation wherein because of one error we have seen multiple errors, this will get reduced because of the intervention of the human intelligence. The machine will work superbly. Now no defective product will get produced, yes, and you will see a amazing improvement by end of the day or maybe the end of the project. Let's see what prevention technique we can use in this Jidoka. The one is Pokeyoke. There is already we have a video guys on the Pokeyoke, which is also known as mistake proofing activity. Please do check out guys. I will also add the link in the description guys to do check out. Now Pokeyoke, which means we have already seen that before occurring of any of the mistake, we just need to keep a control on it. Okay, this can be done with the help of Pokeyoke. The second, we can also use the and-ons. What is this and-on? And-on is just a terminology, guys. I'll give you a good example. You are working with a calling process. The employees are new. What they will do before giving the solution, there should be one tool or maybe they are posting you their solution along with the ticket ID or maybe a case ID while telling you that I'm taking this particular action, kindly suggest. Now the subject matter expert will quickly check the case or maybe the call ID. On the basis of that, the SME will say okay, you can like go with that particular tagging, you can approve, you can transfer, like whatever things it is. Now this chat between the SME and the employee is known as and-on because they are just asking their doubts before moving to the solution or before ending that particular call. Same, the and-on will also help in this process wherein we will see a general example. There is a machine. Suppose if everything goes going good, it will show you the green color. Same we can go with the textile loom. If everything goes good, it will show you in a green color. If there is some issues occurred, it will blink you with the yellow color. If they find there is an like a alert or maybe the thread got broken, they will show you in a red color. So the people who are working with the help of that machine, they will get the information automatically. These are the prevention technique guys. This will not give you the solution, they will just prevent you if there is any error which going to be occurred. Now let's move to the step-by-step process of Zero. So if you on Google guys, you will find multiple examples on it. Like there are a lot of examples. This is one like how we can do that. So frequently you need to see the process of product, you need to make the changes. You need to measure the result as well because we are in the lean, we are always working with a continuous method. Now verify the change and the modification what we have done, we need to verify that. Now we need to standardize the process. Now we can also celebrate our success and again we need to do it again. Same we can do the initial stage, that is goal setting. Then we need to set the timing and plan everything, document all the things, identify the waste, plan the countermeasure, check the reality. This is all the steps you need to follow whenever a project is being implemented, and you can take a help of Jidoka there. Let's move to the example guys. These examples are really easy to understand guys. The first you can see we have identified a problem. Now if we have identified a problem, maybe there is a signal alert or they kept some technique there wherein we got an alert there. The people who are working, the employees who are working, they will go and check what was the problem. They will monitor it, they will do the problem analysis. Post done with that, they will start their work. So this will help you to give the right product process at the end of the complete work. Now we'll see the another example. You can see here, suppose consider this is a company of biscuits wherein they are preparing the biscuits. If everything goes in a good way, the biscuit will move from one end to the another. Maybe here they are doing some packaging or anything. Suppose if there is any error or anything, there will be a alert option here, and it will automatically say to that particular employee that please stop, there is some error. They will find what is the error, they will solve it, then they will start their work again. These all are the industry related examples, guys. You can also link with your calling process, you can also link with your call center, BPO, whatever process is it. I'll give you a general example which I have given you, that is the and-on practice you can do. For an example, the employees are new. So what they need to do is, they need whatever cases or calls they are solving, they need to first validate with the SMEs or maybe to the team lead. Then they need to give the provide. They need to go with the resolution. Same we will follow here. Okay. Now this is all about the Jidoka, guys. If you still have any doubt, please let us know. Share your feedback and comment. Start implementing this particular process with your particular work, guys. I'm telling you, guys, this will help you a lot, and you will come up with good scores by end of the day. So thanks a lot, guys. Please check out our Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn page, guys. There will I'm posting the job related information as well there. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.